Everything I do is whoa. At the bench, jumping out the bed.
Hey man, say man, we are back with another video, and again we're gonna do another live trading. Like I said before, I'm liking this, so I want to continue doing this as much as possible. I know I've been doing the trading breakdowns for a long time, so I'm gonna switch it up and see if I can live trade with you guys for a couple more days. You know what I'm saying? It's Thursday, so we should have some good volume in the markets today. So I do see an opportunity. I'm about to show you guys what I want to see. It hasn't played out just yet, but I think it's going to play out within maybe like that 9:50, 10 o'clock. Not 9:50, 8:50, 9 a.m. time, Central Time. So let me, without further ado, let you guys see this trade before I miss it. All right. So the reason why I'm looking for this particular move right here is we're in that area of interest that I wanted price to come into. Let me go to the daily time frame so you kind of see what I'm looking at. All right, so we're in this daily fair value gap right here, right? We're in this daily fair value gap. And remember yesterday the day before, I was taking a buy into that area, and I said I wouldn't be looking for sales until the market comes and takes some buy side liquidity, right? So I'm gonna go and on a lower time frame. And I want to show you guys, this is exactly what I was looking for. So remember on Tuesday, I was looking for the buy, right? It ended up playing out. And then I said I wouldn't be looking for sales until these buys were taken out. And that's exactly what I'm looking for today. The buys that end up getting taken out. So buy side liquidity swept right here. Remember, we're in a daily fair value gap. So the odds of this playing out are pretty good. Again, we still need to see, hold on, let me put this on buy side liquidity swept. Again, we still need to see all of our confirmations before we jump in. But we are in a downtrend, right? So I'm just looking for price too. I don't know if we're going to come all the way back down here, but I know that we could take this last low, like fill this gap. That's at the very least what I'm looking for. So on the 4 hour, again, we took buy side liquidity. This is a daily, but I'm going to take this down to the 4 hour. And at the 4 hour, you can see that we did hit that 50%, right? On the 1 hour, you can see that we made a market structure shift. This is beautiful price action for a potential sell. Now, I have a few areas in mind that I want to sell into. So I have this area here for the first target, and then previous day lows as the main target. I do think we're going to take previous day lows. So what I might do as I'm in this, as I manage this trade, if it does give me the opportunity, of course, is I want to take partials in this area. Now, depending on where I get my entry at, that could be a 2-to-1. So I could take full profit here, but understanding my strategy, I'm kind of confident in it taking previous day low. So I might leave runners. So depending on, it just depends on how many contracts I'm gonna get in, but I might leave runners. Let me see the 4 hour. 4 hour ends in 15 minutes, and if it closes the way it is right now, that'll be beautiful for price to come into this the fair value gap, giving me a 4 hour wick and then continuing down. So that's exactly what I'm looking for. Hopefully it closes like this. Now we are in a 4 hour fair value gap sitting right here. I don't think it's going to hold that much if the 4 hour closes like this, right? I don't think it's going to hold. So we're going to see. Let me go down to the 5 minute because that's where I'm going to get my entry. I did send this out to my Discord. So if you're in there, pay attention. Hopefully you're going to take this, hopefully, because I do believe this is a great setup if we get what we need to see. Only thing I'm looking for, right, is price to come back into this area, maybe on the 1 minute, give me some sort of market structure shift, something like, it doesn't even have to do this just because I know we're in a area of interest, but if we can do something like this on the 1 minute, that'd be perfect. Something like that. But once we get into the 50% of this move here, let me put that on here. Oops, middle line. Once we get into the 50% of that move, I would love to take the entry. I don't feel comfortable taking anything until we tap this area. I'm hoping that's what we do. It's also going to be buy side liquidity that's going to be swept if we do end up coming into this area. So I'm confident in it. Let me take this off here. I don't no longer need that. Yeah, I'm confident in it. It's just a matter of just waiting to see, if you're going to get the opportunity. Again, buy side liquidity swept. Perfect, right? Come down, take some sell side. All I'm looking for price to do now, by sell side I meant here. Sell side liquidity. This is lower time frame. All I'm looking for price to do is come back up, give me an entry, and then take profit 1 would be here. Full take profit would be previous day low. All right, let's see what happens as we wait. This actually might not play out until right at that 9 a.m. So the next 1 hour candle. The 1 hour candle is what the next 1 hour candle is what I'm looking for this to push into. Even if this pushes in, that next 1 hour is what I want. That on the 1 minute, that buy side liquidity swept on the lower time frame. Again, I did send this to my Discord. Let me see how they feeling today. Discord kind of been quiet this week. I'm not sure what everybody's, how everybody doing. But if you're in the Discord, I've been noticing everybody been quiet. I'm really not taking anything until we get into this area. I really don't care what it does here. I know what I'm looking for. Let's see what else is happening. I caught NQ sales yesterday. Hopefully today we get something. A lot of people trade NQ. I don't really trade NQ, so I can't relate. I do trade YM. Those are the two right now that I'm looking at. Y'all. Come on now. This is that entry model that I always look for. It could either be this low or this low. We're in I think this is a daily. Yes, a daily fair value gap. So maybe it might be this low that we're going to sweep. Might be this low that we sweep. Let me put right there. I love this potential entry model. Not sure if it's going to do it. It could sweep just this area here where it's at right now, or it could come lower and sweep those lows. But I'm looking for buys in this area, accumulating right here, and then maybe sweeping some lows and then coming back up. That's what I'm looking for. Now I'm not sure if that's what's gonna happen, but I like that entry. This is previous day high now. Let me take this shit off. Previous day high. Where is previous day low? Here. Previous day low. So we might sweep previous day low first. It could be the sweep, which is also more sell side. But I like CL, so that's the one I'm looking for. I'm just waiting for it to do what I need to do. I do not like that. If it ends like this, I do expect it to come in, come back up. I don't want to get in right here. Yeah, no. Yeah, I don't want to get in right here. Somebody said I added YM and CL to my watch list. I have to start back testing it. Oh, yeah. How many micros do you guys recommend for 50K account? 5 micros. Safe. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. It looks like it's trying to push down. I don't like it at all. Why are we pushing down right now of all times? Why are we not taking liquidity up here first? We got that close and did not take liquidity. Just gotta wait and see because I don't know what it's doing right now. I prefer it to come up here. Let's see what that 4 hours looking like. 4 hours looking good. 4 hours looking good. If we don't get the full entry up here and we have to get it down here, previous day low would be my target. I don't like this being my entry here with this sitting up here. With buy side sitting, equal high sitting right here. We could just take it though. To be honest with you, we could just take it and push on down. And I would hate that for me. Ooh, I would hate that for me. Two minutes left in this candle. Let's see how we close. Boom. Now, if we close like this, that is beautiful. I might take YM on one account and this on the other account, man. Hold on now. Taking out this buy side right here is what I'm looking for. Buy side. What does that look like on a 5-minute? Let me send this. Copy. I'm not gonna take it, but hold on. Or am I? I don't know. I really like CL. So now I gotta decide what I'm taking. What it's looking like, man. What it's looking like. We just took that. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for this one. I do like YM buys from here. This area. We might come back down. But I like this. Oh my God, I like this, man. I just don't like taking two separate trades. You know? I don't like it. All right, I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna take this one. Is that my entry? CL looks like it's gonna take a little minute, so I'm gonna take a YM. I'm gonna take. Is this? Hold on, let me wait. Let me wait now. We could be coming back down for more liquidity. This is what I mean by like your psychology, dog, gotta be on point. Psychology gotta be on point. We break this high on a 5-minute, then I'll get in. This could just drop, and this is not what I want. I need it to be up here to be okay with this move. So I'm gonna take buys on.
Order filled.
All right. I took some small buys on US 30. I'm gonna target up here. This buy side, yep. I'm trying to give it room. Give it room. What's this 1 minute doing? I don't like that. I'm gonna give it room to play though. Bring it like. Honestly, it shouldn't go below this area. Or it's probably gonna come down further. If it takes me out, bro, I know I should have waited for CL, but it is what it is. I gotta be okay with it. What's the 15-minute looking like? Yeah, it's probably gonna take me out. Trying to give it room. This should be where my target is. I mean, my stop loss is anyway. All right, I like that. If we break this high, I'm moving my stops under here. If we break this candle high. If we continue lower, I might consider closing. Let's see what we doing here. All right, what are we doing, YM? I decided to take you, so I gotta be. Where's my... Buy side is up here. Am I right? Is that where it's at? Do we got news? Why didn't I think of that? What's today? Thursday? We already had news at 8:45. I got in horrible. I'm up here with it. What is CEO doing, man? What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm highly disappointed in this. I wanted it to come up here. So I'm not gonna get in unless that's what I get. It playing around at my entry does not make me feel good. But I'm holding. This is the entry model though. It's what I trade, so accumulation, manipulation, taking some sort of sell side. Damn. That was my target one, but we didn't get our entry. Therefore, no trade. No trade. This is still liquidity sitting up here, so I'm assuming it's gonna come back. But let's see. I'm in drawdown right now with YM. But I'm gonna wait to see what it does. Don't you hate it like that? As soon as you enter, you go and draw down. Like as soon as you enter, you go and draw down. I hate it for me. Looks like this is gonna be a quick video. Looks like it's gonna be a quick video. Hey yo, kid. I feel like standing up, stretching, maybe doing some push-ups or something while we wait. Ay, ay, ay. Push-ups it is. God damn. I only got the 6. I only got the 6. Ooh, I need to get back in the gym. I only got the 6. Being in drawdown sucks, man. Jeez. What's happening here? And I'm gonna hit my first target. Why? The only thing I could see as far as why this did not retrace back up is that it just came into a volume imbalance. Very small one. Sitting right here. Man, I would have loved for it to come up there though. I don't see it coming back up now. That would have been the move. Look at that. That would have been the move right there. Let's see what it does in this area. Took more sell side. Bruh. Just waiting. Waiting on this. It could continue. It could come back up. These are equal highs. Relatively equal highs. So it could come back up, but just don't see it right now. And this motherfucker playing with me. I need some volume, man. Today's Thursday. It's not even a 1 or 2. This is buy side. What is a 1 or 2? 1 or 2 is here. Will it hit that? I don't know. It could. Supply sitting right there. It could, but I'm gonna pay attention to this buy side. Got buy side here, but then a lot of people's stops are probably gonna be right here. They're equal highs right here, which is why I have that sitting right there. I need to give me a bullish close above. The bullish close I like, right? I do like that. I might, 5 seconds left, depending on how this closes, put my stops just a little bit up. Because if it comes back down, try to tap this, we're probably coming lower. So I'm going to put my stops here. Let me do that on my actual accounts. We not out of the woods just yet, man. Not out of the woods just yet. Got a long way to go. We got a long way to go. Still in drawdown. Let's see something. Swept London lows, which London swept the Asian high and low. I do feel like we're going to come for these London highs. I do feel like we're going to come for the London highs. Are we though? I don't know. I'm going to put my stops back right here just in case, because last time I did that shit, I got stopped out and I'll be pissed. I'm okay with my risk. So I'm just going to leave it. London highs. This is yesterday's New York session. We could come all the way up here, to be honest. Or these highs here. What is this? Previous day high? Yeah. We could come to previous day high. Am I going to sit through all that? And the only reason why I'm saying previous day highs, because there's London, Asian and London highs that have from Tuesday that have not got swept. This is Wednesday, Thursday. I'm going to focus on this right here, even though I do think we're going to go higher. But I'm going to focus on that. 1 and 2. All right, let's take this off. Let's make it a little bit cleaner. Oh, man. Sitting through drawdown is not fun at all. But it's a part of the game. What is CL doing? Oh, man, this is a huge disappointment to me, man. This is the move I was looking for, but it did not come into my area of interest. And I cannot chase. I would be the one to chase. I mean, I would hate myself if I was the one to chase this, if I chased that. I was looking for a higher time frame, lower high. In this area. Man, we're definitely hitting previous day low though. For sure. Whew. When CL goes, if like it goes, that's why I love it. When it flies, which is why I love it. Oops, put that back on. And it does this all the time. It's just, why are we not coming up here? I'm putting my alarms right here. I'm going to keep an alarm right here just in case. Because why are we not doing that? Oh, I'm so mad. Look where this is going. does the 1 minute do? The 1 minute gave that to me. Bow, bow, bow. Remember I said I was looking for the 1 minute to do something like this? It's similar, right? Dun, 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 dun. Now, it didn't give me no pullback entry to get in, but that's why I think we're coming back up. It might be a higher time frame move. Either way I go, I'm not in it. This may be a higher time frame where it comes back up, and then we come all the way down. Chia. Like all the way down here, and in which case I want to be in that move. I want to be in that move. This is just beautiful price action. This is my strategy. Beautiful price action, man. And this right here, just chopping. Just chopping. Alright, back at my entry. Set through some drawdown. But we are indeed back in my entry. Why am I not in profit over here? Oh, I didn't get into here. Damn. Okay. Stop's gonna be right there. One and two. All right, now I move my stops up just a little bit because we did break this high. So if we come back and break that low, we're probably going to continue down. Whew, Lord. Stand and draw down like that is not fun. I'm going to stay at the 15 minute. I do like what it's doing, but I do want some volume out of here, man. We have EMAs that are sitting in this area, so we're gonna need volume to kind of push through those. See what I mean? We're gonna need volume to push through. I want to take London highs. I'm hoping in the 9:50 to 10 a.m. macro, we get a push that we need. We still could come down here, taking this liquidity, which is also a volume imbalance on the 1 minute. So it could go back down into drawdown. I have my stops down here though, just in case. My stops are in a good area to where we come down here. I know for sure I'm wrong. We did give a market structure shift, not with much volume, so it didn't leave a fair value gap or anything. Oh, go back. This would be more of, I guess yeah. This is just an imbalance. I wouldn't say it's a fair value gap. Because this gap wasn't brought by it could be a 1 minute. It's a 1 minute fair value gap. Sitting at that right here. It's also sitting. So liquidity, 1 minute fair value gap, volume imbalance. We can come back down here, take all that out, and then push up. That would be good. This is a 5-minute market structure shift. Again, it did not create any type of fair value gap, so don't really like that, but nevertheless we did we did body close above that high, so that's a good sign. Have the ability to come down, tap into this fair value gap, and then push up. What is the 15-minute looking like? Still 5 minutes left on that. I do like the way the 30-minute is looking. 1 hour hasn't closed yet, so time will tell. Back down into drawdown. Hey, quiet today. Only 2 people are like engaging. Usually we got about 6, 7, 8 people that's like really engaging. You know what I mean? Out of the 100 or so people that's on here, we usually have about like a consistent 8 people that are just talking. I like to talk, so I'm gonna need my chat to come on with it. I know they trading on their own. I know they trying to focus, but come on now. Have meetings today, so today's live will be cut short if we do not hit take profit before I start work. We got 20 seconds left in this 15-minute candle. I would love to see how it closes. Excuse me. Okay, I like the rejection. Price come back, take all of that. Ooh. Paying close attention. Tapped into this order block here. So I'm paying close attention. All right, I am about to close. Trying to give it room, but I mean, how much more time do we have to continue down? Yeah, I don't like this at all. Trying to give this room. It looks like it may be. Let me just shut up and let it play out. Let me just shut up and let it play out. I'm trying to be patient. It hits that low, we're done. We're gonna take sell side. We're gonna take this. Now, if we take this, yeah, we're done. I have not gotten out yet. Oh, what are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? This is stressful. What are we doing? Look how close we got. Still not out of the woods, but look how close we got to my stops. Oh, I'm so glad I did not put my stops right here. What are we doing though? It's 9:53. What are we doing? Nothing. We're not doing shit. It would be crazy if this comes all the way back up, but it's just looking like it wants to come down to previous day low. But I've literally seen where price comes this close to previous day low and then goes all the way back up. Swept liquidity. So the previous day low was also liquidity. This is why I wanted that move, just because previous day low also being liquidity, also being an order block down there that price wants to tap into. Confluence is why price wants to go down. I just did not take it. Let me see if there was a way I could have taken. I could have taken this. It's just equal highs right there, man. If I would have taken this, what would have been my stops? Up here? It's a 55-point stop. 55-point stop. That is way too big for CL. Ay, ay, ay. Alright, what is YM doing? Oh. Come on now. Again, not out of the woods. However, I do realize that my stops are firm where it's at now. Like, ain't no damn way we come back down here and I'm holding. We need to make a smaller time frame. It just took more liquidity. Yeah, that's that wick I was about to mention. We need to make a wick. However, we're not out of it yet. Bro, we've been in drawdown for this whole breakdown. For this whole video, we've been in drawdown. If we break this low, I'm getting out. If we break this candle's low, which is volume imbalance right there. So we could come here. We're also at a fair value gap sitting right there. Yeah, I don't know. 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 I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Yeah, we're going down. I'm getting out. I'm out.
Order
I'm out. Order filled. I'm out. It looks like that 10 a.m. candle is what got me this. So we could be coming for these lows. All right. That was a loss on the day. Is what it is, man. Is what it is. We could be coming for these lows here. Could be coming for those lows. All right, y'all. That's it for me. It ended off with a big fat L, but it's okay. Come back tomorrow. Same situation, you know what I'm saying? Same trades. I took the trade based off my strategy. It is what it is. You know what I mean? Sometimes we take L's. But hold on. Bring myself up here. But that's all you can ask for, you know what I mean? Take your L's where you take them. Don't overtrade. And we have not hit my stop loss yet, but I do think we are going to. We're like this close. But yeah, I will catch y'all on another video.
Everything I'm on slab.
Peace.
Everything I do is
What is that?
got the band
Bye.
jumping out the bag. Vibe blowing out my J. Got the loud jumping out the bag. Everything I'm on slab. Everything I do is